All right, in this, I'm going to show you how to make a video public. So I'm going to click on YouTube Studio app right here. It's going to open it up. And if you notice that little world, that means that it's worldwide. Anybody can look at it. But if you notice up here, this one looks like it's unlisted because it's got that weird little circle with a line in it. So we got to edit this. So I'm going to go and click on there. It's going to bring this up. And then I'm going to go to this little edit thing up here. I'm going to click on that. And that's going to bring this page up. And then I'm going to go to where it says unlisted. I'm going to click on that. Now it's going to give me some options. I want to make it a public video. So I'm going to click there and see how that world comes up. Bam, done. Now we got to go to save. I'm going to click save. Cha-ching. And there we are. Let's go back. And as you can see, I got my little world there. That's how you make a video public. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff on Google and YouTube. Peace out.